Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 10A from chapter Arithmetic Progression. So starting with question number 1. First question is MCQs and there are 5 MCQs. A, the first term and the common difference of an AP are 8 and minus 5 respectively. The AP is 4 options are given. Don't look at the options first, it might confuse you. So हमेशा पहले solve करो फिर options देखो. Okay. So first term and common difference of AP are 8 and minus 5. First term, that is A, is 8 and common difference, that is D, is minus 5. We need to find out the AP. So at least 3 terms find out karo. Okay. T1, that is A. Okay. First term is A itself. So it is 8. Second term is T1 plus D or A plus D. Okay. So T1 is 8 and D is minus 5. So 8 plus minus 5. Plus minus minus हो जाएगा. So 8 minus 5, that is 3. Okay. So T2 is 3. T3 is T2 plus D, or you can say A plus 2D. Okay. So that will be 3 plus difference is minus 5. So plus minus minus हो जाएगा, that is minus 2. So first term is 8, second term is 3 and third term is minus 2. So 8, 3, minus 2 is the AP. So second wala option. Okay, this is the correct option. So for A, correct answer is 2, that is 8, 3, minus 2, minus 7 and so on. Okay. B is minus 8, minus 8, minus 8, minus 8 and AP. Yes, it is an AP. We had studied this part in introduction. है ना, introduction video में हम लोग ने देखा था, if all terms are same and they have same sign, then yes, it is going to be an AP. You can check the common difference. All right. So correct answer is yes. You can just confirm it. Consecutive terms का difference देखो, that is second term minus first term. Okay. हमेशा succeeding term minus preceding term होगा. So minus 8 minus minus plus, so it gives 0. ये दो terms का difference देखो same होगा, calculation तो same ही होगा, है ना, तो ये भी 0 ही होगा. So common difference सब में 0 है. So it is an AP. Okay, constant आ रहा है common difference. It does not matter 0 आ रहा है, negative आ रहा है, it does not matter. But constant आ रहा है, then it is an AP. Okay, so yes. So for B, correct option is 2. That is yes. Okay. See, the 15th term of the AP 3, 0, minus 3, minus 6 and so on is, again don't look at the options, पहले solve करो. We have to find out 15th term, that is T15. So T15 find out करना है. And what is the formula for finding the term? It is A plus N minus 1D. Okay. N यहाँ पे 15 है. Okay. A is 3 first term and D find out करेंगे. D will be the difference of the consecutive terms, that is succeeding minus preceding. So 0 minus 3. So minus 3. Okay. So T15 is equal to A 3 plus 15 minus 1 into D is minus 3. So 3 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into minus 3. Okay. So plus into minus, minus हो जाएगा. Okay. And 14 into 3, that will be 42. 3 minus 42 minus 39 हो जाएगा. Okay. So it is minus 39. That is fourth option is the correct option. All right. So for C, minus 39 is the correct answer. D, the 24th term of an AP exceeds its 19th term by 10. Its common difference is, again don't look at the options, पहले solve करो. The 24th term of an AP, that is T24, exceeds its 19th term. 19th term is T19. 24th term is exceeding, that is, it is more than 19th term by 10. So 10 का difference है दोनों में. Okay, so I can say T24 minus T19 is equal to 10. greater पहले आएगा फिर smaller. Okay, so T24 exceeds मतलब minus T19 by means equal to put करेंगे 10. Okay, now A and D कुछ भी नहीं दिया है यहाँ पे. This is the only information we have. What is the formula for Tn? Tn is A plus n minus 1D. So यही यहाँ पे put करते हैं. Okay, it will be A plus 24 minus 1D. n तो मुझे पता है. Okay, minus put box brackets outside. Okay, because minus sign है तो signs will change. So ब्रैकेट्स पुट कर दो. इट विल बी a प्लस 19 माइनस 1 इंटू d इज इक्वल टू 10. सो दिस विल बी a प्लस 23d माइनस a प्लस 18d is equal to 10. Now open the bracket, signs are going to change. a plus 23d minus a minus 18d is equal to 10. a cancel हो गया. 23d minus 18d, that will be 5d is equal to 10. So d will be 10 by 5, that is 2. Okay, so second option again. All right, last MCQ E in the AP 8, 13, 18 and so on. The nth term is 83. Then n is equal to, we'll look at the options later. पहले solve करते हैं. So AP दिया हुआ है 8, 13, 18. nth term 83 है. That is Tn 83 है, not n. Tn 83 है. nth term is 83. Okay, and we have to find out n का value. So n क्या है ये find out करना है. That is 83 कौन सा वाला term है. Okay, उसका number क्या है वो find out करना है. जैसे this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. So ये कौन सा वाला टर्म है वो फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो we'll be using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d. a and d I'll get from the AP. Tn दिया हुआ है, n easily मिल जाएगा. ओके, so a is 8, d will be 13 minus 8 or you can consider 18 minus 13. ठीक है, so 5 हो जाएगा. So Tn is 83, which is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d is 5. So 83 is equal to 8 plus, opening the brackets, 5n minus 5. So 83 is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 5n. Shifting 3, 83 minus 3, 80 हो जाएगा. So 80 divided by 5, that is 16. Okay, so n का value 16 है. So again second option. So for E, second option is the correct answer. Okay, next question, question number 2. The nth term of a sequence is 2n minus 3. Find its 15th term. So Tn is 2n minus 3. Always write down the given first. Okay, we have to find out 15th term, that is T15 find out करना है. बहुत इजी है. n की जगह पे 15 पुट करो एंड सॉल्व करो, यू विल गेट द 15th टर्म. सो T15 is equal to 2 into 15 minus 3. 2 15s are 30 minus 3, that is 27. So box the answer, write down the final statement. The 15th term of the sequence is 27. Okay, moving on to next question, question number 3. If the pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3, find the AP. So there is an AP arithmetic progression and pth term, that is TP, is 2p plus 3. n की जगह पे p है, so you're told that TP is equal to 2p plus 3 and you have to find out the AP. So AP find out करना है, मतलब at least 4 to 5 terms you have to find out. Okay, so 1 put करो, find out the first term, put 2, find out second term, and so on. So it's very easy. Write down for the AP, TP is equal to 2P plus 3. Always write down the given information first. So T1 will be equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. That will be 2 plus 3, which is 5. T2 will be 2 into 2 plus 3. ये हो जाएगा 4 plus 3, that is 7. T3 is 2 into 3 plus 3, which is 6 plus 3, which is 9. T4 is 2 into 4 plus 3, that will give 8 plus 3, that will be 11. T5 will be 2 into 5 plus 3, that is 10 plus 3, ये हो जाएगा 13. So we found out first 5 terms. Okay, that is enough. So write down the AP is 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Okay, don't forget this part. And जो भी values मिला है, जो भी terms मिला है, उसको box कर दो. ठीक है? Next question, question number 4. Find the 24th term of the sequence 12, 10, 8, 6 and so on. You are given the sequence and you have to find out 24th term, that is T24. To find out Tn, we use the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1D. This formula is applicable for AP only. Arithmetic progression है तो ही applicable होगा. Are you told that this is an AP? No, you are told that this is a sequence. So first you need to prove that this sequence is an AP. ये prove करना पड़ेगा पहले. And ये कैसे prove करेंगे? By finding out the difference in the consecutive terms. So succeeding term minus preceding term, succeeding term minus preceding. So 10 minus 12, 8 minus 10, 6 minus 8. Find out करो. It is going to be constant only, minus 2 मिलेगा. So once you prove that it is an AP, you can use this formula to find out 24th term. Okay, so whenever you are told that it is a sequence, first thing that you need to do is prove that it is an AP. Okay, तो ही ये formula apply कर सकते हैं. This is not applicable for every sequence. Okay, so write down the given sequence is 12, 10, 8, 6. So T2 minus T1 is 10 minus 12, which is minus 2. T3 minus T2 is 8 minus 10, which is again minus 2. T4 minus T3, 6 minus 8, वापस से minus 2. So yes, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. So write down, since the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant, the sequence is an AP. Okay, so 12, 10, 8, 6 is an AP. It is an AP, तो A और D find out करते हैं to find out Tn. Okay, so A is 12 and D is 10 minus 12, which is minus 2. So we need to find out T24, that is Tn will be a plus n minus 1d. Write down the formula first and then start solving. Okay, हमेशा formula पहले लिखो. So T24 is 12 plus 24 minus 1 and d is minus 2. So that will give 12 plus 24 minus 1, 23 into minus 2. So that will give 12 plus into minus 23 into minus 2 है. So plus into minus gives minus and 23 twos are 46. ठीक है. So 12 minus 46 minus 34 हो जाएगा. So T24 is minus 34. बॉक्स कर दो वैल्यू को. ओके, फाइनल स्टेटमेंट लिखो. डोंट फॉरगेट द फाइनल स्टेटमेंट. सो द 24th टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस इज minus 34. ओके, coming to next question, question number 5. Find the 30th term of the sequence half, 1, 3 by 2 and so on. Again in this question you are told that this is a sequence and you have to find out T30. So Tn का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करने के लिए पहले प्रूव करना पड़ेगा कि ये सीक्वेंस AP है. ओके, बिकॉज Tn का फॉर्मूला इज एप्लीकेबल ओनली फॉर AP. सो पहले प्रूव करना है कि ये AP है by finding the difference in the consecutive terms. Okay, if it is constant then it is an AP, otherwise it is not. So of course you will get it as an AP only. So write down the given sequence is half, 1, 3 by 2 and so on. So T2 minus T1 is 1 minus half, that is half हो जाएगा. And if you find it difficult तो LCM ले लो. okay, and that will give you 2 minus 1 by 2 which is half. T3 minus T2, it will be 3 by 2 minus 1. Again you can take LCM. okay, so that will give 3 minus 2 upon 2, that is half. So yes, the difference in the consecutive terms is constant. Always take succeeding term minus preceding term. okay, succeeding minus preceding, succeeding minus preceding. okay, so since the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, the sequence is an AP. okay, so A और D find out करते हैं. A will be first term, A is half and D is also half, we just found. okay, so it is half. A and D दोनों half है. We need to find out T30. So पहले फॉर्मूला लिखो. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T30 is equal to half plus 30 minus 1 into half. okay, so T30 is equal to half plus 30 minus 1, 29. okay, so T30 is equal to half plus 29 ones are 29 upon 2. डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर ले लो. 29 plus 1, 30. So this will give 15. बॉक्स कर दो आंसर को. Write down the final statement. The 30th term of the sequence is 15. okay, next question, question number 6. Find the 100th term of the sequence root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3 and so on. Again you are told that this is a sequence, तो पहले AP है ये प्रूव करना पड़ेगा. Then you can apply the formula to find T100. okay, so let's start solving. The given sequence is, हमेशा पहले given लिखो. okay, so the given sequence is root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3 and so on. You need to prove that this is an AP. तो पहले difference of consecutive terms find out करना पड़ेगा. It should be constant. So t2 minus t1, that is 2 root 3 minus root 3, it will be 1 root 3, that is root 3, है ना. Consider it like x. So 2x minus x, that gives x, है ना. So instead of x, root 3 है, ठीक है. So t3 minus t2, that will be 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3, again root 3, okay. So yes, the common difference is constant. So since the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, the sequence is an AP. Okay. So root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3 is an AP. A और D find out करते हैं because we need it for Tn. Okay. So A is root 3, D is again root 3. Okay. So T 100 find out करना है. So Tn is A plus n minus 1D. Always write down the formula first. ठीक है. So T100 is root 3 plus 100 minus 1, n 100 हो जाएगा, and D is root 3. Okay. So T100 is root 3 plus 100 minus 1, 99 हो जाएगा. Okay. 99 into root 3. So root 3 plus 99 root 3, it is like x plus 99x, तो 100x हो जाएगा, ठीक है. So it is 100 root 3. Alright, box कर दो आंसर को and write on the final statement. The 100th term of the sequence is 100 root 3. Let's read the next question. Question number 7. Find the 50th term of the sequence 1 by n, n plus 1 by n, 2n plus 1 by n, and so on. Again the same procedure. Okay, we need to prove that the sequence is an AP. Once you prove it is an AP, find out A and D, and then using the formula you can find out T50. Okay, so write down the sequence first. The given sequence is 1 by n, n plus 1 by n, 2n plus 1 by n, and so on. Difference find out करते हैं. Okay, t2 minus t1 is n plus 1 by n minus 1 by n, that will give n plus 1 minus 1 upon n. So 1 minus 1 0 हो जाएगा, that is n upon n, which will give 1. Okay, t3 minus t2, that will be 2n plus 1 upon n minus n plus 1 upon n. Here be careful because यहाँ पे minus sign है and here you have more than one terms. So bracket में लिख लो, okay, because the signs will change. So 2n plus 1 minus n plus 1 upon n, common denominator. अब brackets open करते हैं. So 2n plus 1 minus n minus 1 upon n. 1 1 cancel हो जाएगा. 2n minus n, n. So again 1. Okay, so you'll write down the statement. Since the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant, the AP, the sequence is an AP. Okay, so write down 1 by n, n plus 1 by n, 2n plus 1 by n is an AP. Okay, A और D find out करते हैं. A is 1 by n and D is 1. Okay, we just calculated over here. So D is 1. You can still show the working again. N plus 1 upon n minus 1 upon n, 1 मिलेगा. T50 we need to find out. So Tn is A plus n minus 1D. Always write down the formula first. Okay, T50 will be 1 by n plus 50 minus 1, d is 1. Okay, so this will give 1 by n plus 49 into 1 gives 49. Okay, you can keep this as it is only, ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं या फिर LCM ले लो, that is n common ले लो, ठीक है, denominator. So you can keep it as it is or multiply and divide by n. So that will give T50 is equal to 1 by n plus 49n upon n. So that gives 1 plus 49n upon n. Okay. Box कर दो आंसर को and write down the final statement. The 50th term of the sequence is this. Okay.